Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit photos while keeping your character consistent using the latest Gemini AI tool powered by Nano Banana. This is one of Google's newest features that lets you edit photo instantly just by writing a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini on your browser and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, tap on Tools icon, this one. Just tap on it and then just choose create images, which is powered by Nano Banana. This feature allows us to upload a photo and completely transform it while keeping the face and character consistent. Next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then upload files and then photos and videos. Now we're ready to write a prompt to create a new scene, but without changing the person identity. For example, let's say we want to the same person sitting in a living room, laughing and relaxing while watching TV. So I will just type a prompt like this. Okay, like this. Here's the result. You can see the character looks exactly the same, but the whole background and scenes are completely new. And I think the result it looks good, although the scenes looks a little bit weird. And next, let's take it one step further. Maybe we want the photo to look even more natural, like see really at home. We can adjust the details with another prompt like this. And okay, like this, now it feels way more realistic, just like a true candid moment in the living room. As you can see, Nano Banana with Gemini makes it super easy to edit photos, create new scenes, and still keep the character's face consistent every single time. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!